kitchen. Today let's make shrimp dumpling. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start peeling the shrimp. And then dip in it. Then rinse it off. Next, roughly chop the shrimp. We also need a cornstarch. I forgot to soak earlier. Let's add salt, sesame oil, white pepper, chicken powder, cornstarch, and olive oil. And mix well. Let's make the wrap with flour, tapioca flour, save half for later, salt, and hot water. Mix well. And cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's knead a dough. Use the other half of the tapioca flour and knead it together. Now add some olive oil. And knead it again. After mixing everything together, roll it out. Now cut it into 22 pieces. Now we cover it. Don't let it dry out. Time to make the dumplings. Add more tapioca flour. Now flatten it out. Turn it while rolling it out. When it's thin, put the shrimp in the middle. forward while turning the dumplings. Now we plate it for the steamer. Let's steam it for 5 minutes. Take it out and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for dish tags. Wow, look how cute. The skin really soft and a little bit chewy. The shrimp cooked is perfect. Lian taste the sesame oil. It is savory, very good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。